Sometimes I just wish you would cut through these scenes. What are you doing, David?
Nothing. Just sitting down.
Hey little guy, I'm home. We're watching Lance's dog, in case you forgot, they're from the same litter. Litter. And I'll show her later. Later. Hey Frankie, how was your night? I like your paw. I like your other paws. Those ones aren't as cute as those ones. Okay, bye. I wanna cuddle with him, but he just went in there. I wish you could see him. Oh, there he is. Hey you. See if we can sneak a peek from up here. Oh, he's trying to get out. No! Sorry, little guy. Every time Frankie hears this, she knows. Hey, Frankie. Come on, look at the floor. It's on the couch. It's on the couch. Get it. It's on the couch. It's on the couch. You got it. Frankie, you got it. It's on the wall. You got it. You got it. Good girl. Good job. You protected us.